You tell me what that is. It just showed up and it has been sitting there for 5 minutes. My battery's about to go dead. I'm going to record this as long as possible. This thing is hovering right there, whatever it is. It's got strobes all around it with this intense light. It is not a helicopter, it is not an airplane, it is not moving, and there is no sound at all. My name is Charles H. Price. You wanted proof of anti-gravity? Well, now you have it. Welcome to the Minuteman Files. What do you believe? This thing is getting closer and closer, but it's moving extremely slow with no sound.